What's up, YouTube? DB Productions here. We've got a show and we're unloading my car now. So we already unloaded a few items, but we're gonna unload the rest.
All right.
Stay tuned. We've got these two fountains that will be mirroring each other. One on each side. They're about 20 feet apart. We're shooting from atop of a hill, so I'm putting my firing system right on here with a bucket, that way I can have these go up to here, and that's the first cue. My mortars are placed as well, but yeah, so stay tuned. We are down at the bottom of this hill. Stereo systems there.
My hill.
And then the fireworks. There we go, right there. In that general area. I'll give you guys a full walkthrough. So stay tuned. Alright, so here is the setup of the show. Audience down there, show's up here. So our first cue, I'll kind of walk with you for our first cues. I've got these fountains, both directions. I'll go off at once. And then the body for the show is just mixed up. Like those two are gonna be in the body. Those two are also in the body. And all these smaller cakes are in the body. That's gonna be in the body. And so with that as well. So, and we also have like 3 Hamlet shells. One will go off during the 2-minute warning, and then the rest in between the show. So just a quick look at the setup. So I have 3 positions for shells. They're not too far apart, so but it's okay. Shells over here. So this is, if you're looking at it like this would be your right position. Then we got the middle position here. And then we also have the left position right here. And as well as these cakes right here also in the positions. There's 4 here, 4 over there, and then there's 5 in this bunch right there. I'm using my Ignite tonight. I've tested the range on it, and we're pretty good to go for the range. We are just about there. I have this bucket to put it on top of here just in case, you know, might be useful. But other than that, I think we're pretty much set to go, and it's gonna be a good show, so stay tuned. Hopefully I get some footage and I can share it with you guys.